Hey loves, welcome to my channel. It's Liv, and if you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? What's good? Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for you guys from PinchME. I just received this in the mail today, so if you are interested in seeing what I received from PinchME, then please keep on watching. So if you see everything in the background, that's because I am currently in my kitchen because I am doing some amazing things as of right now, and I will talk to you guys about that in a future video of mine. But I know you guys want to get into this PinchME box. And what is PinchME, you ask? PinchME is a subscription service where they send you free products for you to try before they even hit stores, or it's kind of like a try before you buy thing, and it's pretty much sample products for you to try before they hit shelves. So I can't remember exactly what I have in my PinchME box. All you have to do is you go on the website and you go to Sample Me. Every second Tuesday, correct me if I'm wrong, every second Tuesday in the month, that's when you have to go on the website at 12 o'clock noon to be able to see if you have any samples available for you. And if you do the PinchME, which is up under the PinchME, you do like little surveys, whatnot, and it increases your chances of getting a PinchME box. Now, if you have a Facebook, you can be able to enter yourself to be able to get bigger PinchME boxes and giveaways that they always do every single month. So you stay tuned for that. Make sure you're also following them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Like, they're doing amazing things, and I've been a PinchME customer for about 2 years now, so I'm pretty excited with everything that I have gotten in the mail from PinchME. Some things that they have sent to me, I've also have bought and kept using myself, so I'm pretty excited to see what I got in this box today. So let's go ahead and open the box. So let's see. Oh wow. Okay, so I received, let's see, first of all, I have a free shave foam coupon from Shakes Extreme, and I'm going to hold on to this because first of all, it's free. Yes, you will receive like little recipes, little gift cards, whatnot for you to be able to use. And my boyfriend, my partner, he will love this, so I'm gonna keep this. The second thing I received, I receive a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, and I've been wanting to use HelloFresh, get a HelloFresh subscription box for the longest. I don't know why I keep putting it off, but I would definitely use this, and you guys will see a video of me sometime in the future with my first HelloFresh box. This got me super excited. I cannot wait. Alright, the next thing I received, if you guys don't know, I love wine, so I just got $100 wine voucher from nakedwines.com, and it says I have to claim it within 30 days. I'm not giving you guys any of the excess codes, but this is the wine voucher up to $100, and I'm super excited about this because I love my wines and super excited. So the next thing I received is 2 samples of the Heinz tomato ketchup that has a blend of veggies in it. This is what it looked like. Super cute. And I even have a recipe in here too. And you guys know I bake, I cook, I do it all. And I got a recipe for zucchini fries with ketchup. And zucchini is pretty good in my opinion. I'm not like a big fan of it, but zucchini fries, I've never tried zucchini fries before, so this is something I think I really want to try, especially since my little kiddo with autism, Ashton, he loves French fries. He's a big French fry fanatic, so I definitely want to try this on him because I really want to try to get him to eat more veggies because he is a picky eater. So I would definitely try that. And I got these ketchup packets, and knowing that they have other vegetables blended into them, I really do want to try it. So if this is how I get vegetables in my kid's system, most definitely I will try this. Like, this is just, it's super cute. And the last thing I received in my mail looks like a Hallmark card. So let's open it up and see. Oh, it says this is a paper hug. See inside for surprises. Oh wow, this is cute. Alright you guys, so I received a coupon in here that says save $2 when you purchase 1 Hallmark card. And I also got these mini cards that I can put in my son's lunchbox or something. One says never forget how great you can be or how amazing you already are. And I have at least, let's see, 1. And here's the other one. I'm so proud of you. Always. And I got one that absolutely resonates with him because he is a pizza fan. It says, you have a pizza, my heart. And then inside it says, sorry to be so cheesy. So this is cute. I love this. Oh, I have one more. I got one more. It says, thought you could use a hedgehog. And it says, just for you, just because. I really love these. These are so cute and so neat. And it comes with the envelopes you can put them in. This is so cute, you guys. This is really so cute. And on the inside it says, hand deliver a little happiness. Stash little surprises everywhere with new Just Because minis, exclusively at Hallmark Gold Crown stores. And it says that these Just Because mini cards They are tiny cards that tell people how much you care. And the retail price for these, you get 3 for $5 or you get 8 for 10, which is not bad. Like, these are so cute. And it shows like different ways that you can use these just because cards. And I just think this is so cute and so neat. I really, really love these. So, yep, that is it. That is all that I received in my PinchME box. I thank you guys for tuning into this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've used PinchME or if you haven't used it. I will leave my refer link in the bio so you guys can check that out and be able to receive a PinchME box yourself. So I thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys next time.